So now that we've been through the specific strategies of how to grow your account, both over the long term and short term, I want to show you like a step backwards. So this is a bird's eye overview of exactly what you're doing by following people, commenting, liking, guest blogging, putting out YouTube videos and hashtagging, all the strategy we went over. These are the results that you get by doing these specific actions. So the pretty funnel that I whipped up in Photoshop in front of you is exactly this. At the top are the inputs. So what you put into the funnel, which is on the far left, comments, likes, follows, and then the additional hashtags and offsite promotion. They aren't playing so much of a role in this specific funnel, but they definitely do play a role. And what they do is you put them into the funnel at the top. And when you do these 4 strategies, say you like someone's photo, the person's photo who you like, they get a notification and they see Benji Blue has liked your photo, or whatever your business is, Turtle Pizza, has liked your photo. And what that means is that they can then click through and see your profile, which you can see is step 2. So first of all, they see your notification, they know your business exists. If you've optimized your business name and photo, it piques their curiosity and they want to see your profile. So not everyone will do this. I've also just noticed profile is missing an L, but pretend it's there. So they're going to see your profile, and from your profile they can then interact with you, which is an outcome that you'd love, or they can follow you, or do both. They're not exclusive. You can actually do both of these things. But follow is the real thing you want, because then you can connect with this person over and over inside their newsfeed. So once they see your profile, we've optimized that in module 1. They get the choice to either interact with you, follow you, or take no action. A lot of people are going to interact with you. A small amount of people are going to follow you. And they are the results you want from the 4 inputs above. So it's simply a numbers game. You want to plug in numbers at the top and get the numbers out down the bottom. I'm going to show you right now how to split test this strategy to make sure the numbers at the bottom that you're getting out, people to follow you and interact with you, are as high as possible.